Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Xumo Box remote volume not working. So here's a complete setup for your TV control, CEC and code. Fix 1. Reset the connection via device code setup. Access settings. Press the gear or settings button on your Xumo remote or scroll to the left menu on the home screen and select settings. Navigate to remotes. Select network and devices, then click on remote. Select TV control. Click on pair your remote with your TV or audio system. Follow on-screen prompts. Choose your exact TV brand like Samsung, LG, or Sony from the list. The system will play music and ask you to press the volume buttons until the TV responds correctly. Fix to activate HDMI-CEC control settings. Open Xumo settings. Go to settings, select network and devices on your Xumo menu. Enable HDMI-CEC. Locate HDMI-CEC device control and toggle the setting to on. Configure your TV settings. Use your original TV remote to open your television's internal settings menu. Ensure its native CEC feature is turned on. Also note that Samsung calls this AnyNet Plus, LG calls it SimpLink, and Sony calls it Bravia Sync. Fix 3. Perform a hardware power cycle. Unplug the Xumo box. Pull the power cable directly out of the back of your Xumo streaming box. Disconnect the HDMI. Unplug the HDMI cable from both the Xumo box and the back of your television. Wait to drain. Leave all hardware completely disconnected from power for 60 seconds. Reconnect and boot. Plug the HDMI cable back in firmly. Reconnect the power cord and allow the Xumo interface to fully reload to the home screen. Fix 4. Clear and repair the remote manually. Clear old programming. Press and hold the 7 and 9 buttons down simultaneously on your Xumo remote for 3 seconds until the status light flashes. Initiate new pairing. Point the remote directly at the Xumo app box, then press and hold the 1 and 3 buttons together for 3 seconds. Complete setup. When the on-screen pairing notification pops up on your TV screen, follow the prompts to re-establish both your box control and your volume control links. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.